Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Camaro ZL1. This ZL1 comes with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, your custom black Chevy decals, 20 by 11 inch aluminum wheels in the back, and 20 by 10 inch aluminum wheels in the front. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose speaker audio system, Recaro seating with a red lining throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a sunroof. When it comes to the front, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seats, push to talk, a heated steering wheel, and heads-up display. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.